Bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les chiffres, numbers en anglais. Ici, nous allons les nombres, les chiffres en français et en anglais. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, et 20, 20. Now these are numbers in French and English. Number 1 to 20. Now we will attend a quiz. Now this is the quiz. We have numbers in English and we have options in French. So we're going to put ourselves to test in order to arrive at the correct numbers. The first one we have 12. 12 in English and 12 in French. A, we have the option 20, B, 12, and the last option 2. And the correct option here is B, 12. The second number is 3. And we have options as A, 3, B, 5, C, 13. And the correct option here is A, 3. Now I'll leave you to attempt number 5 and 15. And at number 5 we have the options as A, 3, B, 5, and C, 4. And the number 15, the options are A, 15, B, 14, and C, 4. Good luck and have a nice day.